Words fail me.
You can sing instead.
I thought it was there. I thought we were done.
Me too.
You know what happens now? That means this isn't going.
To the MOT that we
Well, it's not going for an MOT, and it's not going to get given away until I fixed it, which means it'll be in here longer, which means I've got less room longer.
What are you doing, Benjamin?
You see this?
Yeah.
Is this in camera?
Yeah.
You see this?
Oh!
So I thought I'll fill this tank with petrol before I go for an MOT, and I could do a little test ride. What's my solution? I don't want to buy a tank for it.
What happened
How
then?
can it get this far? What happened was that tank hasn't been full since I cleaned it of rust.
Okay.
Now, it didn't leak when I did its rust removal, but it's definitely leaking now.
So we need a new tank.
I need a tank, or I need to patch the tank. I suppose that depends how bad it is, doesn't it?
It looks like it's weeing.
It looks like what?
It's weeing.
It's weeing. Okay. Well, it's pissing petrol out, I'll give it that. You try to do a nice thing.
I know.
Oi.
Let's have a look. Hello, little hole. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Well, that looks a lot coming out.